along with a
Binding.
binding paste, and next
Chemicals.
chemicals that are responsible for its bright colors. Does anyone have any questions? Daisy, why did fireworks change colors? The elements of
Electrons.
of gases get excited and emit colored light. Does anyone else have any questions? Lizzie. Why is the electrons colored? As they return their ground state, they emit color light.
According
to
the chemicals
used. Okay, like blue copper, yellow silver, green
barium,
white
magnesium,
red
strontium,
purple mix of blue and red. Now, class, take out your folders, and you want to put them up. Okay, open them up. Then put them right like this. And put them like this, please, class, so no one cheats. Like this. Okay, class? Now, I want everybody to grab their pencils. Now we're going to take a test about fireworks. Okay?